What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. I haven't been to the Clear store in a bit. And man, they've been having steals. Let's go. Man, I've been hearing that they've been having heat. It is early in the afternoon. I left work a little early. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Of course, the first question we ask, do they have a heat wall? And then what do they have on the heat wall? They do got one. Not seeing too much on it. Couple of Air Max 1 Premium, 6.5 and a size 11. So you got a grade school Jordan 7 right there. The Dunk High 85 down low. And then you do got the Jordan 1 mids up top. Jordan 1 mids usually go for what, 70 bucks. Most of the other stuff cap out at 100. So if you can find something pretty dope. And it isn't one per day anymore, so people do loop the line. All right, I didn't see anything crazy. They do got jerseys. Let's see what jersey. Oh, it's a blank jersey. I was like, what? It's like, do they really have a 9-inch? It's blank. Man, that'd be fire if they had somebody out here, but oh well. Checking another rack right here. Got the blank Rams jerseys going for 40 as well. Checking another rack, some UCLA camo or USC camo long sleeve shirts going for $15. 15 bucks. Got small, medium, large. No, I see medium and large. Yeah, this one's a large. Okay, those are pretty fire actually. I thought this was like some Saints. No, it's not a Saints shirt. Just flowers? What the hell is this? Oh, 20 bucks for that. What is this? Spurs jersey? I don't know who Johnson. I don't know. I don't even know who that is. 50 bucks XL for those. Some people are gonna be mad. Oh, he doesn't even know. I don't know all the players. I'm sorry. It is what it is. Size large. You got the Carter jerseys, Ray Guns, Fighting Ducks, the Oregon jersey. Oregon jersey, there's no price tag though. That is a small. Yeah, this is a small. This small. Found another one right here. Go for 30. It's pretty dope. Damn, that is one of the. These are one of the sweatshirts that I did want. Double XL. The double XL going for $30. This is the one with the 8-bit Nintendo looking Jordans right there. Duncan. Playing defense, dribbling. $30 for that one, man. Yeah. All right, we're gonna check the sneakers. Let's go check the size 10.5. Yeah, let's go see what's up. Starting with the size 10, got some offline. They call these mules, I believe. The offlines going for $60. These normally went for what, $130? Okay, they have the huge box. Normally, SB iShod Wears going for 50 bucks. Sample box right here. This doesn't mean it is a sample. I don't know what the hell it is, so do not know what it is. I don't know what that is. Court Pros. Some tennis shoes, maybe? I don't know. For tennis, they'll go for 60 bucks. If you can find a sample of something dope, can't find a steal. Principal Run Finance going for 80. We run find the 2s going for 50. In the size 10.5 section now, 2090s going for 80 bucks. KD 14s going for 70. That's a really good price on some KDs. Air Max 95. We've seen this colorway at plenty of the outlets. Go for $80. That's not too bad. Been seeing these for $80. I think Big Money Mo on Instagram found these for what, 60 bucks, something like that somewhere. Damn. He got an extra discount on top of that too. Seen a ton of these iShods, different sizes. Go for 50. Dude got a ton of those Jordans in 10.5. Seeing a bunch of them. More of these KDs. You guys need hoop sneakers. Go for 70. Moving up to the 11s, dude got the ADG Golf 4s going for $80. The Air Del Dons, been seeing these. They don't look too bad. Going for $50. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen those. Soccer cleats down to $20. Got the Vapor 14 clubs. Wow. More of these. Still go for $80. Challenger OGs. Can go for what? 50 bucks. Checking the size 12. I do see 11.5. LeBron 19 lows. These are down to $70 now. Pretty good price. I'm not digging this pair though. Oh man, look at that. Look at, not worn at all, huh? Air Force One mid. This is a premium. Go for $80. Size 12. Got this in an 11.5 right here. Not much in size 12. Size 13's here now. We got the Tempo next percent right here. Go for 100 bucks. Of course, I can't forget about the Monarchs. Go for 40. Fly Traps go for 40 as well. The Kyrie Fly Trap 5s. Of course, we got those. Also got some Zoom Freaks. Been seeing a lot of these. These are the 4s. Go for $60. GT Jumps, one of the premier basketball sneakers. That looks different. That looks different than the GT Run. Maybe it's a GT Run. Maybe that's, I don't know, 80 bucks for these. 14s. You got the Pegasus Turbo Next Natures down to 70. I haven't tried the Next Nature Zoom X though. Is that the same thing? Different? I don't know. Vomeros down to 16, and the size 14s are here. Did I say? I don't know. I jumbled that up. $70 for those. Tons of running shoes. Vaporfly Next Percent. Go for 100. Of course, they're gonna have hoop sneakers. Oh, this is size 15 though. It's $30. $30. It was even higher. 16s. Look at these $16 shoes right here. Or I'm sorry, $7 shoes. $7 sneakers. Size 16s. Oh my god. I was trying to figure out if they're just clearancing the Kyries. No, just clearancing all the size 16s. $7 for these. Yeah, they're all going for $7. That is crazy. If you're a size 16, dude, size 15, then 16.5. Who even has 16.5s? Yeah, they're definitely trying to get rid of them because they got quite a few, all down to $7, dude. $7 freaking dollars, man. Checking out the small size 9. Look at this. What the hell? I cannot believe they got these, the LeBron 8 hardwood classics. They still have these. Man, I've seen a couple of these size 9. That's crazy. That's crazy. Last time I did check to see if they had other sizes. Size 9 was the only one. These are fire, dude. The materials, ridiculous. Colorways, ridiculous as well. Got these Jordans as well. Go for $80. Size 9. A sample. I always get excited. Nah, never mind. We throw those back. I love seeing those freaking sample boxes. Just like this one. $40. Look. $40 for these Blazers. That's crazy cheap. Holy crap. 40 bucks. Nah, I'm really not digging that reddish color, but damn, that's cheap. What are these? The Zoom Victories? I don't know, 60 bucks for some golf shoes. Samples, man, you really can't find some cheap samples. What are these, the GTS or something? Go for $40. Trainers, the Bo Jackson Trainer 1s go for 60 bucks. Got some suede. What? Nubuck? Yeah, looks like you got some Nubuck. It's not bad. That's not bad. That's not bad, especially for freaking what, 60 bucks? I was like, are those Kyries? No, I thought they were like Kyrie 4s or something. Immortalities go for $40. I have been keeping track of that back wall. Man, maybe it's too late. This is the early afternoon. I didn't think it was late. Like, damn, dude. Guess I need to come in the mornings. Damn. All right, I am checking the 9.5s right here. I do got these bad boys. Infinities, the Kyrie Infinities. Go for 60 bucks. I know, not bad. Are these all replacement boxes? What the hell? That's what they look like. 60 bucks for the Metcons. Zoom Flies kind of have that same box. Downshifters as well, so I'm wondering if those are replacement boxes. 0.4s go for 60 bucks. Need some hoop sneakers. Soldiers, what are these going for? $60. Seems like that's a little bit high. PGs, PG5s go for $50. That's a hell of a price right there. Man, that thing really got me. I thought they had some Niner stuff here. Damn, I I really wish I did buy that Nick Bosa jersey a while back. I didn't really have the money back then. I didn't want to throw it on my credit card, so I didn't grab that. I'm perusing through the clothes, see if I missed anything. Also perusing through, see if they have anything new at the heat card. No, man, they haven't had any restocks on the heat card stuff in here. I think ever since they let people just loop the line, I think maybe they run out of stuff in the morning. I don't know. I'm gonna have to come back in the morning one time. There's a Chinese reseller. She's doing like live sales online. I haven't seen anybody do that in a while. I used to see them do that here all the time. I haven't seen that in a while. All right, we're gonna check out the kids section. I haven't checked out the kids section in a while. Yeah, 6.5 section. Let's check out a few things here. Kyrie Infinities, the most confusing shoe or confusing sneaker. Kyrie's are the most confusing sneaker in the Nike lineup right now because they don't really exist or they haven't renewed. But yeah, $50 for these bad boys. Air Max 97s going for $80. LeBrons going for $70 right here. There's some older LeBrons. Some of the lows right here. Okay, go for $60. I mentioned them in the 6.5, right? Did I? I don't know. But yeah, I do got LeBron 19s going for $70. Size 5.5. I was like, what? No, not really. Jordan Mod 2s going for $50. Zoom Freaks, what these going for? $40. Delta 3 lows go for $50. That's size 5. Size 3. This is, I think, technically a preschool. Do have the Cortez going for $25. That is the what's a Forrest Gump colorway. Some Blazer lows going for $25. Some Air Max 90s. Okay, like easy lace ones because they're just for the kiddos. $40 for those. All white Huaraches, size 2 going for $30. Air Forces, size 2 going for $35. Right next to that, size 3 Air Max 90s going for $40. All right, not seeing the craziest stuff. Not seeing the craziest stuff today. I think we're about done, yo. I think we're about done. Almost forgot to show what I am wearing. Jordan 13 Atmosphere Grays. From what, 2018, 2019? I don't know. All I remember is I got it for like $105 on Nike.com. Hella cheap. Those were the days, man. And maybe we're back to those days. We're pretty close. Been finding Jordans at the outlets for what, 30-40% off. Shorts, hoodie. That's what I wear in the winter apparently. Alright, continue browsing the clothes. Look at this. This is fire. This is a really heavy hoodie. And, normally $140 down to $50. They do have like a bunch of sizes: medium, large, XL, double XL. These hoodies are pretty dope. The flight hoodies. Only got XL though. Got 3 of them for $30. I think I got mine for like $30 at Jumpman Alley, I think. Jordan jacket right here, a fleece jacket. What's the price tag on this bad boy? I'm going for $30. XL, double XL, bigger size only though. You got some polos. Kind of looks like a Packers colorway. Normally $60 down to $25. Small. Oh dang, smalls only. This one kind of looks a little lighter, kind of like a Oregon colorway. But yeah, $25 for those as well. Tiger Woods. What are these polos? Tiger Woods polos, $95 down to $30. Bunch of mediums right here. Got large, extra large, all that stuff up top. Then it's always best to go shopping like off season at the clearance store. So we got a bunch of shorts and stuff like that. $25 for all the golf shorts. That's hella cheap because Nike Golf usually is not cheap at all. Got different prints, different colors. Normally $70 down to $25. All right, guys, that's pretty much about it. Nothing too crazy. You can always find apparel deals. Like apparel deals, you can always find, especially if you don't mind buying stuff off season. I've bought a ton of stuff off season here. Always find stuff, but yeah, nothing too crazy. In the heat wall, there was nothing, unfortunately. I don't know. Guess I came here too late. I don't know. I came here like 3 o'clock. Not too bad. Like I had to leave work early and stuff to try to come here, but it is what it is. Can't always win, but yeah, that's pretty much about it. Hopefully, we find something better at other outlets. We'll see what happens. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Make sure you guys help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new, press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got plenty of videos coming. And yeah, stay tuned, you guys. See you guys next one. Peace.